So exceptionally, put in the car. It's written Fuji Clima, GS Trans. Up. I have to move quickly because I have these food babies here. A bashful. And here's a Scania yellow truck. It's the Westfield glorious mall. Westfield cigarettes, cigarettes. So literally killing you for money. And look, in case you were telling yourself, but no, it's not this, Route 66. Then, to do a little of critical thinking and mental gymnastics. So it's been a couple of days that people have been heavily moving around me with cars, and at night. And now there are people in restaurants being happy on a Thursday night. Okay, whatever. I got food right now, abundance of food, because up there before it was not covered when I arrived, and then it got covered. So so it means that here, yes. Wait. Heavy. HAVI. Whoa. I have that up the keister. I don't know how it's called in English. The box that is falling. Okay, so I will stop recording. But yeah, I got food. I got several people around, several cars around. Here there is a bus. There is quite some activity. I'm pretty sure if you look at the hotels situation, you get that in that period it has been rice have been going up. And yeah, I need to go quickly to the library now because I conveniently forgot my guitar there, which never ever happens. There is a Alsa bus there. I suspect that today is the last day. All the cops are gonna be put in some places like La Sirena or Fábrica de Hielo. So Sirena, it's like mermaid. The myth of a mermaid is that they are singing at the seaside to lure navigators to offshore, and then make them jump themselves, so suicide themselves basically, because of how seductive and attractive and magnetic they are, to then eat them. And the mermaids, it's all about deception as well. In water, a mermaid, and out of water, they are humans. Cannibalism. So magnificent people out of water are super polished, super uplifting, super beautiful and magnetic. And once, for instance, when they are on boats, perhaps they are going about some cannibalistic practices. Perhaps this is what it means under the myth. When we look at what the story says. So here, La Sirena is something like for freezed stuff, so it's very cool.